Here's a quick tip for optimal video viewing. This video was filmed in 360 VR 5.6K resolution, so you may need to adjust your YouTube streaming settings to a higher quality for optimal viewing, and feel free to explore the screen in all directions. You can view this from a desktop or a mobile device, but I find it tends to work best on your mobile device. So let's start exploring. Hey y'all, Miranda here with another 360 virtual hike. Today we're at Pearsons Falls, located in Saluda, North Carolina. And this is an easy quarter-of-a-mile trail suitable for hikers of all ages, including kids, families, and older adults, like my parents who are hiking with me today. This is a privately owned trail, so there is a fee to get in. At the time of this recording, it was $5 per adult and $1 per child, 6 to 12, and I think kids 6 and under are free. Also keep in mind there are no pets allowed at this trail. However, there are lots of great spots to stop and rest, enjoy the view. There's places to have a picnic here. Just make sure you pack out everything you bring in. And there are restrooms located at the trailhead. This trail is considered a botanical preserve with over 200 species of rare wildflowers, plants, and trees. It's designated as a Blue Ridge National Heritage Area site and a North Carolina birding trail site. And the trail is named after a young engineer named Charles William Pearson, who scouted the mountains for what eventually became the Southern Railroad. The gorgeous 90-foot tall waterfall cascades down a staircase of rocks. And this trail actually has special meaning to me because my best friend got married here a few years ago at Pearsons Falls. Thank you so much for joining me and my parents on this beautiful hike to Pearsons Falls. I'll place more information and links for directions below in the description. Please subscribe to my channel for more virtual hikes as well as yoga and meditation videos. And you'll find more information, directions, and things to do in the area on romanticasheville.com. Namaste and have a great day.